All right, Lee High School 9th grade students, let's talk about your course options for next year. All right, so you have a number of classes to choose from. If you are in a Gen Ed World 1 class, then the usual sequence is to take World History 2 next year. What will happen then is you'll take U.S. Virginia History your junior year, you'll take Government your senior year, and that is the standard social studies course sequence. World History 2 is going to be really similar to what you're used to in World 1, okay? It's going to be a natural continuation of our World 1 class. So you'll be studying a later time period, but with similar kinds of expectations and class activities. There will be more focus on writing because you're advancing in your academic studies and you need to focus more on writing at this point. If you are sitting in World History 1 and you're thinking to yourself, I'm ready for something a little bit more, I can do a little bit more next year, you can take World History 2 Honors. That's a class that's going to be a mix of 9th and 10th grade students. And from there, you could choose to take U.S. Virginia Honors your junior year. You could take AP Government or a regular level government class your senior year. Lots of options are open to you. That's going to be the same course content as a regular World History 2 class, but there's going to be more independent work, more focus on writing than there is in your current class. So very similar structure, but more emphasis on writing, more emphasis on individual work than you've had this year. And the point of an Honors World History 2 class is to get students ready for what's coming next. All right, then you have Honors Government. So if you are in a Honors World 1 class, you could choose to take Honors World History 2 next year. That would be a totally fine decision. Or if you're thinking that you want to access the IB History curriculum, then you can take Honors Government next year. And that class is specifically designed to get you ready for IB History in your 11th and 12th grade years. So you're going to study how our government works, you're going to study how it was founded, you're going to do a lot of reading and writing, which will get you ready for your History of the Americas class your junior year. You'll do lots of speech and debate as well as other kinds of projects. You'll do a research paper that will prepare you for doing the internal assessment, the big research paper that's part of the IB History class, so it's a practice for that. If you think you want to take IB History your junior and senior year, and you are a student who already has very strong writing skills, then AP Government and Politics is a class that is a possibility for you. The two keys to being successful in this class are being a strong writer and being able to work highly independently. This class is a college level preparatory for further work class, and it is important that you be prepared to work on your own. This is run as a flipped class, so you will do your notes and your content prep on your own. Class time will be for reviewing that and then for further debate and discussion. You will take the AP exam in May, and you can earn college credit if you score well enough on that exam. So you will have regular exams, you'll have multiple choice, as well as free response questions, which are similar but not identical to APEC responses. So here's some more about the exam. AP Government is a class that is going to really give you a comprehensive understanding of what our government looks like. But if that's not for you, that's okay. Remember, you have to take a government class before you can graduate from high school in Fairfax County. So if Honors or AP Government is not the right place for you next year, that's okay. You'll take it your senior year. And then we have AP World History. You can only take AP World History if you are currently enrolled in Honors World History 1, and they will only run the class if there are enough students who sign up for it from Honors World History 1. So it is a class that covers all of world history. It reviews World 1, and then it moves on to World 2. It's about understanding interconnectedness of humans around the world and patterns throughout history, examined through looking at different geographic areas. So it is a college level class. There will be reading of primary and secondary sources, frequently flipped notes. And if you have taken Honors World History 1, you can choose to sign up for this class. However, I would let your counselor know what your backup class is. Again, if there aren't enough students who sign up, then the class won't run. So you want to know what you'll do if that's not a possibility. All right, that's it. You need to go and fill out your Google form with your course selection, and then we will discuss together in class later this week.